You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to reproduce the views that is displayed at the left-hand side of the screen in orthographic correction. Now we're only given two views. We are told to draw the complete three views. And the question that back up this figure says that project from the given front elevation a plan and a new end view in the direction of the arrow. Use first angle projection. Now the question is, where is my end view and where is my front elevation, right? Now this is in first angle projection. So this will be our front elevation and this will be what? Our end view. And so we should project from where? We should project from the front elevation. So we're projecting from here. Is that okay? So what I will do first of all is I have reproduced the figure on my drawing sheet. Nobody asked you to do this. This is just drawn here to enhance your understanding. This is what the figure, the two views you see in the left hand side of the screen, this is what they look like, right? So when you look it from this side, are you with me? That is when you see this end view here. You can see that that's where you see what? This end view. And when you look it from this side, right? That is when you're going to see this end view here, this front elevation. So this is the front elevation. Looking from this side, this is my front elevation here, right? This is my front elevation, and this is what? My end view here. Are you with me now? So we want to draw the plan looking at it from the top. So first of all, so we should project from the front elevation. So let's start with that. So when you hear the word orthographic projection, the first thing you have to do is for you to draw your orthographic axis, right? Just draw your horizontal line this way. Is that taken? In orthographic projection, the first thing you do, draw your horizontal line and you draw your vertical line this way. That is the first thing you should just do. Can you see that? Then from the center, measure 10 to the left and 10 to the right. And that's what I just did. Right? Also, you measure 10 upwards and 10 downward. So this is 10 here, upward and 10 downward. Can you see that? So from here, from this line here, I measured 70. From this line here, I measured 100 and what? 30. So we're projecting from here. So what you do is, this is the distance of 70. So I'll just project it up this way. So I'll start my measurement from this outer line. So from here to here is 70. Then what is the height? The height also is given to be what? 72. From here to here, you can see from the elevation. That is from this point straight up to this point. It's given to be what? 70. Measure the height of 70 also. From here to here is 70. Just transfer it here. And I'll close it up. I'm reproducing what you see on the screen. So here, the baseline is thickened. That is 70, this baseline here, which is this baseline. I'll just thicken it. Then the height here is 10, which is this thickness here. And that's what you're seeing here, 10. So I'm going to measure 10. Alright, so I'll just draw my faint line. I will not thicken it yet, just draw a faint line. But I'll thicken here because it is thicken here and you can see it here. So I'll just come here and thicken here. Right, now from the beginning here, which is the beginning here, right, I'm going to measure 20. That's from the beginning here, I'll measure 20. From 0 to 20. Then from the baseline here down, I'll measure another 20. So from here also, I'll measure another 20. I'll just join them together, taking it. Hope you can see that. Now from the back also, from here to here, which is from the back line here, from the front, sorry, I'll measure 50. So from here, I'm going to measure 50. This 50 you can see on your screen. From 0, I'll measure 50. And I'm going to thicken it. Right? At that point I thicken, I'm going to bring it straight down to touch this guy here. And this one straight down to touch the lowest part here. Can you see that? And I can easily close it up. Can you see that? Now the next thing is this hidden line. From here to here is the hidden line, because looking at it from here, you cannot see all these lines here. That's why you're seeing a hidden line at this point here. So I'm going to measure 20 and I'll get my hidden line. So from 0 to 20, and I'll put it down. Dot, 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 like this. So it's going down finally, it's touching the baseline, as you can see on the screen. Then the next one is the circle in between. You cannot see it from here, and it's going in. So you get the center of the circle. From the baseline upward, you measure what? 45. So from 0 to 45, that means to 45 to the center here. And that point will be my center line. Long, short, long, short, long. Then I'll measure the thickness of the diameter of that circle here is going to be 24. So I'll measure 12 millimeter each on my meter rule, which is 12 here. Now I'll come here, I'll mark 12 up and 12 down. And I'll close it up to this point. And from here also to this point. Now the next one is from this point you see here, right? There is a circle, say 2 holes, and you measure to get to that hole, right? What you simply do here is you're going to measure 10 upward. We already have the 10, then you get to the next point is another 10. You can see from here. So I measure 10 inward this way. So from 0 to 10, that point will be my center line. Long, short, long, short, long. Then the thickness of what? Of 10 too. So this is 10 here. 5, 5. 5 and 5. The diameter is 10, so 5, 5 each. So I'll measure this will go and this will go. I'm only repeating what you can see on the screen there. Then the next one too, I'll do the same thing, measure 10 away from here also. From 0, I'll measure 10, and that will be another center line. Then I'll measure 5, 5 in between two. 5, 5, and I'm going to close it up. Can you see that? And what else again do we have? And there's a circle here, as you can see on the screen. So what I'm going to do is to get to that where that circle is, you see the same center as this. So I can just extend this way. Long, short, long, short, long. Then I'll measure 10 away from it also, which is this one we have here. Same 10 millimeter. Long, short, long, short, long, right? So let's take the diameter of the radius of 5. So you come here and you draw the circle. So aside that, what else is remaining? We have successfully reproduced that shape. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to project this. So to project from the elevation to get our plan here, the front elevation, right? So if I project from this, I want to get my plan. So what I'll do is this. I will just take my instrument, draw my line from each of these points this way, vertically coming down, vertically coming down. Then from this end here, I'll measure a height of 130. You're drawing here 130. Since from here to here is 70, which is from here to here, automatically the other side is 130 here. So let's measure my 130. So from 0 to 130. So I'll just close it up. So I'm going to thicken it round this way. And I'll tell you why I'm taking it round. I'm taking it round this way. And here too. Now the reason is this. If you're looking from the top, all this line you see with this line and this line, including with this line, you'll be seeing them like a straight line as if they're on the same level looking from the top. That's why I taking everything, even at the back to the same thing. Right? Now move forward. Now what do you notice? For me to move from here, the next one is if I project this downward from here, if I project this downward, it means there's a space behind. Right? So whatever I do, my movement will start from here. Then the next thing I'll do again, I'll project the next one, which is this. Now I've gotten my true thickness from here. So meaning that if you're looking from the top, from what the elevation is telling you here, a thickness of 20, 50, 20, 20, 50, 20, starting from this end here, which is this end. So I'm going to start measuring that. Is that taken? This will be 20 here. This is 20, right? Another to 70, making 50. Another what? Another 20. You get logic? 20, 50, then what? Another what? 20. And I'm going to draw my line from that point. So from here, I won't draw anything here, but from here, I'll take it straight down to touch here. From here, I'll take it straight down to touch here. From here, I'll take it straight down to touch here. And you know the reason why it's like that. Then the entire length here, from this point, I'll just close it up. Because there's nothing here, so here is free to this level here. Now the reason is from this point to this point is inclined, so it will look as if it is straight. So from here to here and here to here will look as if they are straight line. That's why I'm having it this way. So the next one is this thickness here. I'll close it up, which is this hidden line you're seeing here. Can you see that? Then the next one is this here. So if I come at this edge here, so I'm going to close it up. Now close it up. So this edge is this edge. Here is my B. Here also is my B, my A. So this is B, this is A. Then here you see here is given to, let me call it point E. Are we good? And this is my point E here. This is D also, and this is my point D here. All together. Now aside that, the next thing we'll be doing here will be we'll, there's a circle here. So let me just project that line on the circle to this point. Before that, we have a circle at the center here, which is the circle, as you can see on the screen. So I'll just get half of it because from here we're told it is 50. It's 25 to get to the center. And from here also you can see it is what 25 to on the screen. So I'll just measure half of it, which is 25. So from 0 to 25. 0, 25. And I'll draw my center line. So long, short, long, short, long. Right? So I will now take, circle is concentric. So if from here to here is this, automatically from here we'll mark here and to mark here. So I'll just close it up. Dash, 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 dash. Dash, 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 dash. Like that. Now, the next one is a circle here also, right? So it means if I should, at this end here, which is this end you can see. So if I should project that guy downward this way, just take the center line. I'll just come here. I project it. Means here is dot, 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 dot. And here also, project it down. And here dash, 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 dash. And the center line. Long, short, long, short, long. Can you see that? There's a circle you see here. Now the next one is you can look at the diagram very well. He said two circles, meaning there's a circle here and there's a circle here. That's what you have here. So I'll just measure the thickness is 10. So I'll measure 10 from 0 to 10. And I'll just draw a straight line in that manner. Right? Then I'll now measure 10 millimeter away, this line you're seeing here. So I don't have to stress myself. So look at this. It's falling here. So this is my center here. Long, short, long, short, long. And look at this one also here. Long, short, long, short, long. And here also. Long, short, long, short, long. Long, short, long, short, long. That is where my circle will be. So I just have to just take my instrument here. With the same radius. I'll place it here. And I'll draw a circle. I'll come here also too. I'll draw the same circle. You're looking at it from the top. Hope you can see that. And this is what we have. All this side you see here is all this side you have in all this angle there. So the next thing, successfully drawn that out, is for we to draw back our end elevation here. So I can just project from here, right? And I'll have this. Come here also. I'll have this, right? Then take this. This is coming from here to touch here. Then from that point, it will go up. Then this will making it up here. Can you see that? Then the next one is if I should project this here, I'll take it up too. What we're about to see now is looking at it from this side. And I'll project here too. So project all the sides too. And I'll pick it up. Then it means that all this side is ticking is on the screen. You can just look at the screen, and here is closed. Here also is closed. Then from here it's touching down, but here starting from here upwards, also down too. The other one too is touching down. Then here also moving from this point. So by bringing it down, it's coming here. Then I'll close it down. And here down too. And close it. So we're looking at it from here. So you see this thickness, which is here. From here to here is from here to here. And everything here is everything you see here. Right? Then the back one, you cannot see that back line here. So that's why we're using our hidden line here. So hidden, 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 hidden to this point. Right? So the next thing is the circle. So this is the center line of the circle here. Long, short, long, short, long. So if I put this other center here to get the circle, we're meeting at this point here. So long, short, long, short, long, short, long. We're meeting here. So just take the same radius of the circle, which is this. I can just come here and I'll have this. So it means that this guy is for this guy and this guy is for this. So what else is remaining? The last but not the least is this projected to that end. So I project this one. This is this. Then this one. This. And this is the center line here. Over there. So what else is remaining? So it is important that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share the video. And this is what we have here. And one more last thing. If I project this, and I project this. So if I take them up from here, this will be hidden line. What about this? Also hidden line. Then the center line here. Long, short, long, short, long. So this is what we have. Do your dimensioning. It is very, very important for you to do your what? Your dimensioning. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.